drive belt chain. Okay, so you got a keeper here in the back. This will pop up right here to where you can get the belt out, and it looks like it just pops back into place. The other side, it's bolted down. Okay, just like that right here. There's a little clip-in pickup. You got a 15, you got a 15, you got to take these out. This is an A86, I hope it will work. It's not the original belt. You have to take this 5/8 out here, drop the clutch, drop this little pulley adapter. You've got to actually take this steering gear off right here after you take off this 5/8. No, this is I think it's a 3/4. I'll see just a little bit. It is a 3/4. So you bend, and you had to bring the whole steering shaft up, and hopefully your parts aren't seized on there. But as you can see, this side remains straight. This side is the one that goes around, and then so this is a flat, and this is the V, and then it goes to the back. And so you got the two ones that wrap around the front here. So and that's it for that. Now I'm gonna be going with the big belt on the it's got a 3-blade deck, the 48-inch cut, and that's gonna be a B. I'm gonna try a B138. The B136 was too tight. Alright, John Deere 48-inch L120 deck belt route with a B138, so going with a thicker belt. Okay, so as you can see the route, and now this is where it comes out, and this one wraps around. You will have to take the 15 off here and the 15 off here.